600 BC, 600 before Christ. Now you add 2500 here, and add 600 1000 years back and more. Go all the way back and jump back again. On the count of 3, 1, 2, okay, wait. Can you all run on your feet on the ground? Hands up and make some noise. Roll, yes. Like, okay, something happened, the weight was then 80. Yeah, right? Now, let me ask you something. Let's measure it on a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is like lowest energy, 10 is like super high energy. 1, 2, okay, wait. Can you all rumble your feet on the ground? Hands up and make some noise. Wobble. Yes. Come on. Rumble. 1, 2, 3 and go. This was the energy. By the way, there is another version of the wave in Banaras. If you go to Kashi Vishwanath temple and you see people giving a chant, what's the famous chant of? Yes, I'll do it, and we have to raise both our hands. It's called Har Har Mahadev. Once again with me. Har Har Mahadev. Wow, lovely. Thank you so much for this super energy. Now I think we are ready. Very important thing. We're going for a walkathon.
Good. So, may all of you be blessed in Kashi.
A little unveiling here for something very, very special.
Good. So, may all of you be blessed in Kashi.
A little unveiling here for something very, very special.